holiday season. I hope all the best for 2020. Alright guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Alright, so today we'll be showing you how to stroke a text in Adobe Photoshop, guys. Alright, yes guys, so it's like a colored outline of your text or picture or anything you can stroke in Adobe Photoshop. Alright, so here we go guys. So I'm gonna write a text right here, and we're gonna give it a stroke. So we're gonna scale it up so you can see the stroke effect even better. Alright, right here, so mingle it. Alright, so you go to on the layers tunnel, you can right click on it and go to blending options. Alright guys, and in blending options now you will see stroke right here guys. You will see the stroke right here, so you can click to add a stroke on it. We don't want a white stroke because we already have a white background. So what we're going to do is click on the color tab and click any color you want to stroke it with right here. So you can use this to choose which color you want and then click OK. Alright, see here you got a gray stroke on it, so you can size it right here. Size it. We have an auto stroke right now. You can size it up as much as how you want it best suits you. So alright, so now we have an outside stroke, so we want to go for an inside stroke right here, so it go inside. Alright, but normally when I use it on the outside. Alright, you can even center stroke. Alright guys, so you can play around with it whichever way is possible for you. Alright guys, and this is the blend mode, but we won't get into that today. And turn down the opacity in it. So you turn down the opacity in it. So if you want the color to be all grayed out, if you want it to sharp or whatever. Alright guys, so that's how you put a stroke on a document and also on a text. And also you can add multiple strokes, so you can click add. If you're not seeing a second stroke right here, you can click this button to add a next stroke. Right, I'm gonna add a next color on it. Alright guys, so we had let's check this purple right here. Beautiful. Alright, so we're gonna use this inner, use this on an inner stroke. Alright guys, you see right here, you got three different colors right here guys. Three different colors right here. And that's how it goes. Alright guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share our content.